Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's December, right? Happy new month, guys. It's a blessed new month for us. Now you might be thinking about gift ideas to give your customers that have been with you for the year, your new customers, how to wish them happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance and all that. I'm thinking of what to give them. So this month I'll be making videos of different gift ideas you can make with what pieces of fabric in your shops. Don't allow those fabrics to just sit there lying and being a waste in your shop or your office. So you can make bags, scrunchies and all that. So I'll try to actually drop at least a video per day if NEPA allows me, because lights have been so crazy these days. This from October, November, the light has been so crazy and it has affected the way I post videos. So I'll try as much possible to improve on that this month, and I'll try and post do-it-yourself videos on scrunchies, videos, handbands, headbands, and so on. And I hope you guys watch, like, and share these videos. So to be in form of a Vlogmas. Yes, so there's what we call Vlogmas or Vlogtober. Vlogmas is like posting every day things around Christmas and all that till 24th or 25th till one Christmas will be what will happen. So guys, I'll catch you guys in subsequent videos. Please like, share, and if this is your first time on the channel, subscribe, because this month the baby is gonna give you a lot of videos. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for being with me since whenever you've subscribed, since how long you've subscribed. Thank you guys for always watching my videos, for liking. I love you. Bye.